Ayubowan and welcome to the central province of the Emerald Island of Sri Lanka, a mid-country replete with contented tourists and local community. The central province is located in the central hills of Sri Lanka, comprising of three administrative districts, namely Kandy, Matale and Nuwara. The land area of the province is 5,575 square kilometers, which is 8.6% of the total land area of Sri Lanka. The elevation in the province ranges from 600 feet to over 6,000 feet above the sea level. The province is bordered on the north by the North Central Province, on the east by the river Mahavali, and in the south by Umaoya and the mountain range of Adams Peak, Kirigalpotha and Totapala, and on the west by the mountain ranges Dulusbage and Galagedara. This province is the most prominent province among the 9 provinces in Sri Lanka, since it has 4 UNESCO heritage sites, that is the half of heritage sites in the country, and the most religious and full of archaeological monuments, the most picturesque and the most cultural province compared to the other provinces of Sri Lanka. The central hills covered with natural forests nurture the vast biodiversity unique to Sri Lanka. Silvery waterfalls cascading down the green misty mountains, gushing streams and crystal clear waters of the rivers slowly moving through the valleys to nourish the color-shaded paddy fields which provide staple food for its nation. Chilly, soothing breeze, in fact an elixir, blows over the mountains and valleys and spreads the gentle sounds of the multi-religious temple bells throughout the province.